to the festive edition of Campfire Cooking with Greenmoxie. Today we're making one of my Yuletide favorites, apple pie moonshine. This stuff is dangerously delicious. Every year I make a batch as gifts for people and then end up drinking it myself. So who knows, maybe this festive season will be different. But I'm very happy to share this recipe with you because I know you're going to love it. Into a large pot, pour 4 cups of apple juice. To your apple juice, you're going to add 4 cups of apple cider. You're also going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Add half a cup of white sugar. To the apple juice and the apple cider, I'm going to add a pinch of nutmeg and a pinch of cinnamon. Your apple pie moonshine has been boiling 10 minutes. You can turn off the heat and then leave it to cool completely. When your mixture is cooled to room temperature, it's time to add the alcohol. Now I use rum, Sailor Jerry's, because it's 46%, which is a little higher. But if you want something stronger, feel free to use Everclear, which I think is closer to around 80 proof, or another kind of rum that you enjoy. I like this one too because it's also a little spicy and that just adds to the flavor. You're going to throw the whole bottle in. Inevitably, as we are working in the forest, some twigs and a few other things have gotten into the pot, so I'm gonna just use a muslin cloth to strain it out. If you don't mind twigs, then just go straight for pouring it into your mason jars. The last thing you have to do is add a cinnamon stick. Put the lid on and keep in your fridge for 4 to 6 weeks. Thank you for joining us today. We really love having you. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe. We've got tons more stuff for you. Merry Christmas.